Hello and welcome to this week's video where we will be decorating my handmade miniature music shop for Halloween, as usual with plenty of detail. Let's see how the Sound Nook gets ready for trick-or-treating, miniature style. If you watched my last video, you will remember Mick. Oh no, sorry, that's not Mick. That's just a skeleton used for decoration. And it's also not quite as strong as Mick is because it just fell apart when spray painting it. But he's already dead, so we can just glue him back together. Anyway, Mick, the eccentric shop owner who knows to play every instrument in his shop. This time the kids convinced him to decorate for Halloween. He doesn't really care about spooky things, but he does it anyway, since it'll make the kids happy. These will be the window stickers for the Sound Nook's decoration. They are laser cut and it is so satisfying to take them out. This is how pumpkins are made. Well, tiny ones. And you can't eat them either, but who cares? I made them from air dry clay and was actually easier than I expected. Just add some paint and they are ready to go. This thing looks rather strange, but it will be a tiny witch's head. Just trust the process. Here I'm making a spooky tree from wire. It's probably similar to the witch's head, you have to trust the process. And the last thing to prepare is a little birdcage. With all decorations ready, it's time to start decorating. If you're loving this video, please leave a comment, it makes me really happy. Or like or subscribe if you haven't done so already and want to see more of my miniature making. Oh, the skeleton seems to be having spine issues again. Oh, that doesn't look good at all. Oh, look how wonky it is. And yeah, we have to glue him again. Oh, that's where it goes. Never mind, glue him again. Freshly glued, the skeleton is ready to take its place again. And look how nice the scary tree has turned out. Do you trust the process now? I tried to use the cotton of the cotton buds for making some cobwebs, but it was really difficult, so here you can see me struggle, but I thought it just wouldn't be complete without some traces of spiders. So that's the Sound Nook on Halloween night. A little spooky, a little sweet, and full of tiny details. Even Mick admits it turned out better than he expected. Happy Halloween from the tiniest music shop in town.